Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Theta update video about how much I am earning with my Elite Edge node. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. And for this first half of the video, I'm just going to go over some educational content from the white paper about Elite Edge nodes. If you feel familiar with it, just skip to the end. That's where I put all of my data for the Elite Edge node earnings. But I do think I'm going over some good stuff. And if you want, you can watch on 2x speed. But let's check it out. So we will go to documents here, and this is how you get to the white papers if you're unfamiliar, and then hit white papers. I did download it, so no need to download it here, but all the information we need to know, or a lot of the information we need to know about Elite Edge nodes in particular, is in the Theta Blockchain 3.0 white paper. So I'll pull that up right here, and I'm going to go over 3 things that I thought were the most pertinent. And first and foremost, if you're unfamiliar with the relationship between the validator nodes, the guardian nodes, and then the Elite Edge nodes, here is a good visual breakdown of what's happening here. So there's something called a joint mesh network, and that's just how all 3 of these nodes kind of work together to make sure everything is valid. So the joint mesh network, consisting of the validators, guardians, and edge nodes. The validators propose and finalize new blocks. The guardians seal the blockchain by collectively signing the checkpoint blocks. The edge nodes are responsible for data delivery and providing useful services. To provide its uptime, an Elite Edge node broadcasts its BLS signature share of the checkpoint blocks to the guardians it is connected to. And guys, BLS signature, nothing fancy there, it's just a cryptographic signature. Then, through the aggregated signature gossip routine, the BLS signature shares of the active Elite Edge nodes are aggregated by guardians into one signature, which then gets written into blockchain through the new blocks proposed by the validators. An Elite node is eligible to split the TFUEL inflation rewards if the aggregated signature recorded on chain contains its BLS signature share. And essentially what this saying in simplest forms is your Elite Edge nodes, you're getting paid via uptime, and I'll talk about that here in a little bit. But essentially, if you are up for that block, then your Edge node just signs a piece of paper. Look at it that way, or signs the block. And once the block is complete, let's just say there's 100 Edge nodes or Elite Edge nodes that sign that block. The guardian node is the one who puts its overall signature for the block and then submits it to the validator. And the validator is going to be the one who finalizes that block. So that is the simplest relationship between the Elite Edge nodes, guardians, and validators. And then next thing I wanted to talk about is how we get paid as Elite Edge nodes, and a lot of people think it's through all the different streams, but that's kind of the case, but also not really the case. Majority of the payments are via uptime mining, and this is, I'll just read it right here. So there's a dual reward system. The mainnet 3.0, any user can install the Edge node software, but with the option to stake TFUEL to upgrade itself to an Elite Edge node. Elite Edge nodes earn a proportion of newly inflated TFUEL based on the amount of TFUEL staking and its uptime score. It has no dependency on the amount of data relayed by the node. So right there, it pretty much says it. Like if your node, your computer is running 24/7 with the software, then you have a higher probability of getting paid out more than the individual who just runs the Edge node software at nighttime or whenever they're not using the computer. So in an employment analogy, this can be viewed as the base salary for an Elite Edge node on top of the base salary. If the node relays data, it is also eligible to earn more TFUEL through the proof of relay mechanism, which they talk about a little bit later. And then this doesn't come from the protocol level, but it's paid for the platform directly, and it can be viewed as like a performance bonus. So everyone's going to get a flat rate salary based on uptime. And then if you do those live streams, let's say Katy Perry in the future, there's 1 million people who check in and your computer's just working those live streams, that's when you get those performance bonuses, is from those live streams. And I'll hit on that just a little bit, and that is section 5. So scrolling down, are at proof of relay, and this is essentially where it says that to receive the performance-based rewards, an edge node first needs to stake sufficient amount of TFUEL to upgrade itself to an elite edge node, and that's 10,000 TFUEL. An elite edge node can gain performance-based rewards by submitting proof of relay to the blockchain. And this is to encourage edge nodes by rewarding them based on how much data they actually relay. And so that is, the big picture breakdown between, what's happening with these edge nodes as far as the relationship between the other nodes and then how we actually get paid out. So I will move on to, what everyone is here for. And this is my payouts for the second month of August. And this time, my edge node, elite edge node, was up the entire month. So let's check it out. Total invested once again was about $3,500 to get my 10,000 TFUEL. I averaged in right around there. And once again, this is just a snapshot at the end of the month. So this will definitely fluctuate. But for some reason, both in July and August, it was 33 cents at the end of the month. TFUEL earned. Let's see, earned 64 TFUEL in the month of August, which is up from the previous month, and that makes the total TFUEL earned 109 TFUEL. So definitely moving on up, which I am happy with. Number of transactions, I had 13 transactions throughout the month, and the monthly TFUEL earn, or USD, once you convert the TFUEL to USD, if you were to, it'd be a little over $20, so $21.14 for a grand total of $36.11. So adding, $14.97 to 21, you get the $36 so far. Not too bad. And the return on my asset, I have a negative 5.71%, which still checks in my asset once again. I'm counting that as the 10,000 TFUEL for my elite edge node. So if you multiply this times 10,000, that's about $3,300. So slightly less than what I originally invested in the original amount. My return on investment, however, has gone up a little bit from 0.43% to 1.03%. And guys, that's just over 2 months. So in order to get a, the best view, we have to forecast this out over the year. And that's what I'm doing right here. Essentially, I'm taking the average between my first month and my second month, and then progging that out throughout the entire year. So if I were to continue with these two averages throughout the entire year, the APY would be about a little over 6%, which is actually really good. I am very happy with that. So that's better than, ETH 2.0 staking on Coinbase and Algorand staking right now. So definitely very happy with this APY average right now. And stay tuned for the next one. I will show you how the month of September went next. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. And once again, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe to the channel. See ya.